Welcome to the Skill Shift Innovation Training Program. Today, we're diving deep into the world of design thinking, exploring how this methodology drives innovation and empower teams. This will be very useful in the next video when delve deeper into UI and UX design, user interface and user experience. Innovation is vital for competitiveness and meeting user needs. Design thinking, UI and UX design are powerful approaches that foster collaboration and continuous improvement. Let's uncover their principles and practical applications. Design thinking is a human-centered approach emphasizing empathy, creativity, and iteration. We've previously discussed its key principles: empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and test. This is a flexible framework encouraging experimentation and learning from failure. It's worth mentioning that design thinking and agile project management share values of iteration, user centricity, and collaboration. Integrating these methodologies enhances innovation management, driving successful outcomes, and delivering value to end users. Are you ready to dive deep into the world of design thinking and UI/UX design? Good, because we're just getting started. Throughout this journey, we'll uncover the fundamental principles of these methodologies, explore their practical applications, and learn how they empower teams to innovate, collaborate, and create extraordinary digital experiences. Now let's delve into the practical applications. In a previous episode of our podcast, we explored design thinking as a human-centered approach to problem-solving and innovation. Now, let's zoom in on the practicality of performing design thinking online with a remote team. In today's digital age, remote collaboration is more important than ever. However, conducting design thinking sessions online requires careful planning and adaptation of traditional methods to a virtual environment. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to effectively perform design thinking online with a remote team. First, preparation and setup are crucial. Choose a reliable online collaboration platform that supports video conferencing, screen sharing, virtual whiteboarding, and real-time collaboration. Ensure that all team members have access to the necessary tools and are familiar with how to use them. Set up a dedicated virtual workspace or project hub where team members can access relevant documents, resources, and communication channels. Next, kickoff and orientation set the stage for a successful online design thinking session. Introduce the team to the virtual collaboration tools and explain how they will be used throughout the process. Set clear objectives and expectations, including the problem statement, desired outcomes, and timeline. In the empathize stage, understanding the problem is key. Conduct remote user research and interviews using video conferencing tools or online survey platforms. Share findings and insights with the team through virtual presentations, collaborative documents, or recorded interviews. In the define stage, collaboratively define the problem statement and establish goals for the session. Use virtual whiteboarding tools or digital sticky notes to capture and organize key insights and observations. During the ideate stage, encourage virtual brainstorming sessions using video conferencing tools or collaboration platforms. Facilitate asynchronous idea contributions through digital brainstorming sessions or collaborative documents. Use online voting or ranking tools to prioritize and select the most promising ideas. For the prototype stage, utilize digital prototyping tools to create virtual prototypes. Collaborate in real time to iterate on designs and incorporate feedback from team members. Share prototypes with stakeholders using screen sharing or interactive presentation tools to gather feedback and validation. During the test stage, conduct remote usability testing sessions with end users using video conferencing tools or screen sharing. Capture feedback and insights digitally, using collaborative documents or feedback forms. Iterate on prototypes based on user feedback until a viable solution is developed. Don't forget reflection and documentation. Facilitate virtual reflection sessions to discuss lessons learned and document the design thinking process, including key insights and outcomes, in a shared digital repository for future reference. By following these steps and leveraging online collaboration tools effectively, remote teams can successfully conduct design thinking sessions and drive innovation, even when working from different locations. Now that we've discussed the process of performing design thinking online, let's explore some of the software packages and apps specifically designed to facilitate remote collaboration and support design thinking sessions. First up, we have Miro. Miro provides a collaborative whiteboarding platform where team members can work together in real time. It offers a variety of features such as digital sticky notes, mind maps, diagrams, and templates tailored for various design thinking activities. In a remote design thinking session, team members can leverage Miro to brainstorm ideas, create user journey maps, and collaborate on prototyping. For instance, they can use digital sticky notes to capture insights during the empathy phase, create mind maps to organize ideas during ideation, and collaborate on wireframes and prototypes during the prototyping phase. Miro enables teams to visualize ideas, organize information, and collaborate on design thinking activities such as ideation, affinity mapping, and journey mapping. In a remote design thinking workshop, team members can utilize Miro to create affinity diagrams, visualize user personas and journey maps, and collaborate on brainstorming sessions. For example, they can use Miro's canvas to collaboratively sketch out user personas and map out their journey through the product or service. Lastly, we have Figma, a cloud-based design tool that enables teams to create, share, and collaborate on digital designs in real time. Figma is particularly well-suited for designing and prototyping user interfaces and interactive experiences. In a remote design thinking session focused on prototyping, team members can use Figma to create wireframes, mock-ups, and interactive prototypes of digital products or services. They can collaborate on designing the user interface, adding interactive elements, and iterating on the design based on feedback from stakeholders and end users. These tools provide essential capabilities for remote collaboration and support various aspects of the design thinking process, from ideation and prototyping to user testing and iteration. By leveraging these tools effectively, remote teams can collaborate more seamlessly, generate innovative ideas, and develop user-centered solutions more efficiently. In the next video, we will dive deeper into the process of developing your app with design thinking, considering various stages from conceptualization and design to development, testing, and deployment. Additionally, we'll explore powerful design tools such as Figma for mock-up design of apps, further delving into the world of UI and UX design. Thank you for joining us on this learning adventure. Stay tuned for more insights and tips on design thinking in our upcoming sessions. Until then, happy innovating!